Time for another Dollar Tree food review. This time it's the Cliff Sardines in Louisiana, or however you want to say it. Louisiana hot sauce. Okay? I got these at the Dollar Tree where everything's a dollar. Net weight is 3.75 ounces. And if you look at it, I don't see no nutrition facts on the can anywhere. Ingredients. Okay, hold it, real small print. Yeah, for nutrition facts, write to the address listed. So I'd have to write to San Diego, California. Okay. I wasn't able to find a list of ingredients, but I did find the nutrition facts. Calories are 140, calories from fat are 70, total fat is 8 grams, saturated fat's 8%, cholesterol is 33, sodium is 18%, and total carbs is 1%. Oh well, shipping them up. They're still rather firm. You know how sometimes you get sardines and they're mushy? Well, these are still pretty firm, as you can see. At first, it doesn't have much of a taste. Then you kind of get that afterburn. It's almost like they're in oil instead of a hot sauce, because it's really oily. I don't know if you can see the oil, just like laying on top where it's separated in here. Once again, it's one of those times where they're not bad. I mean, the texture's good. The sauce, the only thing it is heat. Okay, like biting in a real hot pepper. I mean, there's really no taste to the sauce. It's just heat. Okay, I went and got some crackers. And if you're wondering, yeah, Dollar Tree, of course. This may sound strange, but the saltiness of the cracker actually helps with the hotness of the sauce. But I gotta judge the sardines on sardines alone, with the hot sauce, because that's what I actually bought to try. So I'm gonna give that a 3 out of 5. If you like hot stuff, and you like sardines, it's gonna be worth $1 just to try them. But do yourself a favor, make sure you have some crackers handy. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.